guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl latesha-kharizma. To all my new KSQUAD members, welcome to the KSQUAD. Let's jump into this video. Y'all know what time it is. It's the beginning of the month, so we are talking about new Outre drops for the month of June 2024. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, starting with WIGPop's Lenise unit. So this is a synthetic hair unit with a pixie cut, yaki texture. The style is wavy, and the color shown is going to be chocolate swirl and soft blonde. So I do love the pixie cut on Miss Lenise. Would this look good on me? I don't know. I don't know. I do have a smaller peanut head, so it might just do the trick, but then again, it might age me. I think it would have to do with a lot of finger combing and styling, because how they have her style coming all the way up to the front, like hiding that forehead, that's not gonna look right on me. But I do love the colors that it is showing. I love that chocolate swirl. I love the blonde on her as well. This is so pretty, the soft blonde. Her glasses is cute, girl. I used to wear something like that back in the 90s. But anywho, this is really pretty, dolls. And remember that WIGPops are always affordable. So you're not gonna break the bank if like you don't like it. You're just gonna be like, well, you spent like 20 bucks, ain't no big deal. But we're gonna keep our eyes on Miss WIGPop. I think she's really pretty. Okay, so next from the Quick Weave series, we have Miss Miriam. This is gonna be 14 inches in length. Yaki texture, wavy style, color shown DR4, mushroom blonde, and number 2. So Miriam, okay, this is a quick weave, so this means that you do or can leave your own hair out of the unit. And it's a really quick style. Once again, very affordable. And I like it. It's a really subtle style, but it's cute. Like, I can definitely see it working for me. I do love the style in the mushroom blonde. And I can tell by like zooming in that it is a really heavy yaki textured unit, which I like because it looks more realistic. I like it. I need to do more quick weave videos because I used to own a lot of these. They're so much fun, but being that my hair, when it starts growing out, them gray roots get to showing, girl, I don't know about leaving my hair out on that, okay? But I do like this quick weave style on Miriam. I think she's absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and keep our eyes out for Miriam, and let me know down below if you want me to review her or if you're gonna be picking her up as well. Also, before we go any further, because I get a lot of these questions every time I do these videos, what unit am I wearing? I'm going to link it in the bottom description box below. I believe her name is Kiara, but I'm not for sure. So if you want to take a look at this unit, I'm going to link it in the description box below. Okay, anywho, next up, Swirlista Swirl 111 synthetic hair, 26 inches, yaki texture, curly style, deep sea part, lace front, color shown DR Dragon Fruit and DR4 Brown Sugar Melt. Dolls, let me know what you think about Swirl 111, because looks like it's, I don't know, looks like it's been done before, but I think I may review this because I love the curl pattern on her. I don't know about all those swirls stuck on one side of her forehead there, but I do love the curl pattern. Y'all know I love me a good long curly, okay? As long as it's not too thin, because it can get real wiggish down there. I think this will look really great in the color number 1, and also the DR4 Brown Sugar Melt that is shown on the stock card. It's absolutely gorgeous. It does look natural. I do love the 5-inch deep C-shape parting on her, because that way you can put her behind your ear with that C shape. So it's really pretty. Let me know what you're thinking of Miss Swirlista, if you want me to review her, if you're going to be picking her up as well. Okay, also from the AIRTIED series, we have the Human Hair Blend Sleek Yaki 20-inch. Silky texture, straight style, 13x6 lace frontal, color shown DR4 Tiramisu, DRF Cherry Wine, DRF Ginger Brown. Loving the style on her, but this one can be a bit tricky because depending on how it comes out of the box. You see how it's bumped at the ends there, which is absolutely gorgeous. Sometimes when you get units like this and you take her out the package, the ends are not bumped, and then you try to go in and bump them yourselves with those flat irons, and it just ain't working. Even if it says Human Hair Blend, I've never trusted trying to like curl synthetic wigs with heat. I just don't. To me, the hair ends up melting and all that good jazz. So I just kind of leave it alone. So this one is pretty. I do love the AirTied series. They had to grow on me for a bit, and certain ones I was reviewing I wasn't gelling with, but I think I reviewed one a few months back and it really just resonated with me really well. I do love the colors on this unit, and I love how it looks really natural and effortless. So I'm going to keep my eyes on this. Let me know down below what you guys are thinking and if you want me to review her as well. So next up we have the Everywhere Lace Front Series, Every 41 length Pixie style curly. Basic lace front, color shown, chocolate caramel, DR dragon fruit. That DR dragon fruit color, yeah, definitely loving that. Okay, so this is a really odd style. It's really pretty, but it's odd. Once again, you're gonna have to definitely play with this unit because you can get this on your head and it will look like a helmet. So you really have to play around with the unit. Everywhere units are always affordable as well. They're great, just throw on and goes. I do like this, but I really think I may pass on reviewing her just because I don't think this would look right on me per se, but I still think she's gorgeous, especially for the summer. We want more short styles for the summer, right? So I'm going to keep my eyes on this. I'm sure other wig babes will review her, and I'll definitely keep my eyes out and will be watching. But for me, it's going to be a pass, you guys. So back to the Wig Pop series, we have Cyra synthetic hair unit, 26 inches, yaki texture straight style, color shown 3DR rosy ombre and cream soda. So Cyra is pretty. Cyra is really pretty, but looking at the cream soda photo, ooh, it's gonna be a hit or miss. You're not gonna know until you get her, okay? Same with me. Now, I might just jump off the bridge here and get her in that cream soda color and see how I like her, because I don't do well with bangs for some reason. I don't know if it's because I have like a smaller forehead or a smaller shaped face. I have an oval face. But I do like the unit, but it also looks really flat, really bland with no body. But I think that's how she's supposed to look, am I right? So I might, like I said, I might just take a chance and review her in cream soda. I do love the bangs on this unit. This overall style is definitely giving 70s Studio 54 vibes. And the makeup look I could do with that cream soda, ooh, a pretty like turquoise eye or a purple eye, ooh, very, or just neutral, like a neutral eye, like how she has. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me know down below what you guys are thinking of Cyra, because I think we all might have to jump out the box on this one, dolls. Let me know, girl, because I mean, like I said, the wig pops are all like $21, $22. It won't be too much if I'm taking a risk. So let me know down below what you guys are thinking. Okay, so Outre 5x5 lace closure wig, human hair blend, glam curls 24 inches in length, wavy style, 5x5 lace closure, color shown ginger copper kiss, golden honey blonde. I just reviewed a unit, a perfect hairline that looks similar to this, and I did not like it very much because it was so much hair. You can look at the photo and tell there is just a lot of hair going on. Not that it's not beautiful, because it absolutely is, but it's the summertime. I don't know if I want to wag with all this dang hair, girl. I do love the fact that it's a 5x5 and you can pretty much do whatever you want to do with her as far as styling is concerned. You're going to have to, because just wearing this plain and natural like it is on the stock card, that's just too much hair. I can already see that there's not a lot of layers going on. And for a half up, half down, that may be the road you might want to take. So I'm on the fence about this one. Let me know. I do love the color shown, ginger copper kiss and the golden honey blonde. It does come in an array of different colors as well. DR2 vanilla cocoa is really pretty as well. So let me know down below what you guys are thinking. But for me, it's just a lot of hair. It looks like a lion's mane, you know, like, girl, it's just too much going on, girl. I'm not trying to sweat all up under my wig and all that. It's 93 degrees out here in Houston, okay? Once again, the Quick Weave series, Ryan, 28 inches, yaki texture, wavy style, DR dragon fruit and DR4 golden honey blonde. Once again, quick weaves, you leave your own hair out on these units. This is really pretty. I'm going to tell you guys right off top, it's going to be a thinner unit. So proceed with caution when purchasing. Knowing me, I would probably buy this and then put a headband around Rayanne. She is absolutely gorgeous, but I don't know if I would leave my own hair out on this unit, but I definitely would throw a headband on this one, okay? Once again, quick breeze, very affordable. You're not taking that big of a risk. So, I mean, I'm on the fence about her. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but I think she's absolutely gorgeous. I do love the waves and the curls in Rayanne. It looks very natural. So yeah, let me know what y'all thinking, girl, because I'm on the fence about her. Okay, once again from the Quick Week series, we have Sable. Now this one, I probably can get behind. It kind of reminds me of what I'm wearing right now. Length on her is going to be 16 inches, yaki texture, curly style. Color shown DR Chai Latte and DXH Silver Brown. The silver brown color is so beautiful. I love the way that they have the bangs on her, but the curls look so wiggish. You're definitely going to have to like brush this or comb it to kind of poof it out a little bit, because to me, I don't know, those curls, they're beautiful, but I don't know. If the density isn't right on this unit, my God, you're going to see all the tracks, girl. So let me know, because a number 1 would look wiggy with this unit, okay? So that DR Chai Latte is calling my name, and the DRF Espresso Brown, which when you zoom in, it sort of looks like the color that I'm wearing. So to me, that's a little bit more natural, but I would definitely shy away from the number 1s on this unit. Let me know what you're thinking about Sable. I think she's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, we go keep our eyes out for Miss Lady. Okay, so the Daily Wig, girl, they haven't been around for a minute. I don't know, they've been hiding. So they're definitely back with Lenise. 24-inch unit, yaki texture, straight style, synthetic unit. This is going to be a lace part, 3DR4/cream ombre and DR4/ash brown are the colors shown. Lenise is so pretty. Once again, Daily Wigs, hit or misses. You're going to be buying at your own risk, but I do think it's really gorgeous. It's a really gorgeous unit. I do love the DR4 ash brown, but I love the cream ombre too. I mean, should I jump out the box? Y'all let me know. Should I jump out the box, girl? Like, ooh. But I'm going to tell you right now, too, with Daily Wigs, the texture sometimes it's just, oh, my God. It kind of reminds me of, like, the units that were first coming out, like, in the year, like, 2004. Very, very inexpensive looking, okay? So let me know what you guys think, because yeah, I don't know. I mean, the color is calling me, but I don't know, you guys. Let me know down below what y'all think. And I think she's absolutely gorgeous. So that color is so pretty. Okay, dolls. And lastly, from the lace front series, we have Miss Maxi. 12 inches in length, yaki texture, curly style, 13 by 6. Lace frontal, ST chocolate gold, shown and tiramisu. Okay. I don't know if they put the wrong stuff on the wrong stuff here, but baby, this is not no 13 by 6 lace frontal. The lace fronts are not, lace front wig series are not frontals. So I don't know why they have that here, but maybe it was just like a clerical error or something. I think Maxi is really pretty, but I think Maxi is a little dent heavy going towards the front and the middle. Looks really humpish, too much hair in one spot. Also, baby hairs are not needed on this unit, so I don't know why they did that, because when you zoom on the baby hair, it's a no. So I think I'm going to be passing on Maxi, but this is definitely not going to be a frontal unit. And I think that the style is just a bit, as my mother would say back in the day, mammy made, which means it looks like it's going to age you. So I will definitely be shying away from Miss Maxi. But y'all let me know what y'all think anyway down below. Okay, dolls, that's pretty much it for this review. Don't forget, y'all can always hit my Outre playlist to go ahead and catch up on some reviews that I just threw out there in the last couple of weeks. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more hair and beauty related content. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel, girl. We're trying to grow this channel. The goal is 10K before December 2024. I'm praying that we can get there, child. I'm praying we can get there. Until next time, you guys, stay beautiful and blessed as always. Bye.